Hey guys, it's Soham here again. So now we're doing our second problem. Okay, for the chapter 5 explanation. So here's my explanation. So it's asking us to write the standard form, which looks like this: ax plus by equals c. C being our constant. Okay. Now, to get to this, we need to use point-slope form or slope-intercept form. I like to use point-slope form. So the formula for point-slope form is y minus y1 equals m, our slope, x minus x1. So put that to the side because we don't need that yet. So first, in order to use this, we need to find the slope. So the formula for slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Well, you might be like, Soham, where is this y2, y1, x2, x1? So it's right in the coordinates. If we label it, it's much more simpler to understand. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Okay. Now that we do that, we have to input these numbers into the formula, and we get slope equals y2 minus y1, so negative 5 minus negative 1. Negative 5 minus 5 over y2 minus x2 minus x1 now. So 1 minus 3. Now if we do this, we get negative 10 over, this looks like an S. Okay. Negative 2, so both negative, so the negative gets cancelled out to positive, and we get positive 5 as our slope. So m equal to 5. Now we can use this information and our slope information to get to this, and then to this. I'm making it sound complicated, but don't worry, it's not that complicated. Okay. Now when we inputted it, we get y minus our y1, which is 5, equals our slope, we just found 5, x minus x1, which is 3, and then that's our point-slope form. But they're asking for standard form, which should look like this: ax plus by equals c. So what we need to do from here is we use the distributive property to distribute this 5 to the x and negative 3. Then we get y minus 5 equals 5x minus 15. Now it still is not quite there. Now we need to get all our variables onto one side. So we're going to do minus 5x to both sides. Then we don't want any constants we want both constants on one side, so we're going to do plus 5. You have to do it to both sides, whatever you do. This gets cancelled out, this gets cancelled out, and now we are left with negative 5x plus y equals negative 10. Now we're not done yet because our x coefficient, so negative 5, our x coefficient cannot be negative or fraction. So if you look at it right now, the problem we have is there's the negative sign right here. So to get rid of that, we need to multiply by negative 1. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. But you can't just do it to this term, you have to do it to all of the terms. So you end up with 5x minus y equals 10. And that is your final answer. Circle it, make it all pretty. There you go. Thank you.